doing a makeup look with this Makiage eyeshadow palette. This is the Color Boss Squad multi-dimensional eye color quad. I received this in the BoxyCharm for June 2023. So I'm going to quickly just swatch these four. Love that it comes with a mirror. I'm not really a fan of packaging that is like a mirror. I just don't like it. Are you ready? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. This is my first time trying Makiage. First time. The first impression? Really impressed. These three here, you only have one matte, which is your dark brown. It doesn't really come off as dark, which I personally like, being that is the only matte in the palette. Do a cut crease here. We make the color pop even more. Using one like this is like flatter, small, and I'm gonna go ahead with this shade here, not the gold. This is like a rose gold or bronzy. Oh, they're so beautiful. They're like really creamy. So I'm just gonna start packing this. Just be very careful if you already did your base, because since I grabbed so much, it was like having some fallout there. I'm gonna take it with my finger. My favorite moment when I do my eyeshadow to highlight the inner corner, using this one and just pack it. In love with the formula. How gorgeous. Now I'm going to go with a fluffy brush, getting this matte shade. I don't want any fallout. I like to blend mine high, just because of how my eye is. You can't really see much if I just keep it like lower. You know, I have to do my eyeliner, do my lashes, and put on some falsies, and I'll show you the look. Okay, so I did my eyeliner, I put my lashes. If you don't use eyeliner, then that's completely fine. I'm sure it will look beautiful too. But this is my look number 2 for the Makiage palette. Really like it. If you received it, you're gonna love the formula. It's so creamy. Like, it's been a while that I've had an eyeshadow palette like that, so I'm really happy. And I look forward to using this every day, like for work, where I don't usually play with a lot of color. These are great. Let me know if you received it. Did you like it? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.